si Miss Eita. Guys, event na naman tayo, 2026. Happy New Year muna sa inyong lahat. And I'm here at Lotus Events Place dito sa may Quezon City. I'm hosting a debut. This is my first debut event sa 2026. And thank you so much kay Erica and her family for trusting me. At nandito tayo ngayon for the Tech Run. Tingnan niyo muna yung buong venue. Gainda. Tech Run tayo ngayon guys, and we wanna make sure na si Erica alam niya yung dadaanan niya, lalakaran niya para hindi siya nangangapa mamaya. Kasi lalabas siya at dadaan siya sa hagdan, may staircase. So para hindi siya nangangapa, kailangan natin i-rehearsal and mag-Tech Run tayo ngayon. So punta na tayo sa Tech Run. Go! Ready? And her team. So guys, good afternoon po from the sound system, Sounds Night, sa tech booth natin, photo and video coverage, makeup artist, and of course the stylist and catering services. So let's make this event a very memorable. A little stress, yes, hindi naman tayo 100% na may perfect event. So, bigay natin ng maganda para kay Erica. Okay, for today, we're going to have a tech run and rehearsal of Erica. Erica is there at the dressing room. So, I hope everybody already preempt na bigyan na kayo ng instruction from the team of Miss Fe